In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up order flow charts on GoCharting. Now to do this, first you want to open the chart of your choice, then you want to go to charts, top left over here where you can see chart types, click on it and you want to switch over to cluster, which is over here at the bottom. Now the first step is done. Now you want to go to the top right and click on settings over here, so the settings cogwheel, and then you want to go to order flow, so this tab over here in the middle, and then from here you can leave the tick manager either on auto mode like this, or you can disable auto mode and you can go and customize it however you want, of course, depending on what you want to achieve. Now, whenever you've done this, I'm going to leave it on auto mode like this. You can click on apply over here and you are good to go. Now, that's the first thing you have to do. And then if you want more customization and add-ons and stuff like this, you want to go to this button up top where it says study and you want to click on it. And then over here, you have order flow. So if you click on order flow, there's going to be a bunch of different things you can add. There's going to be, for example, bar statistics, which look like this. You have delta bars, you have market profile, you have a bunch of different things you can use essentially to basically help you and set up your order flow charts on GoCharting. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.